Hello everyone. Today I would like to share what a typical weekend looks like for family in Vietnam. We started the day at parents' house. This is my mother, my children's grandmother. After spending some time there, we head back home. In Vietnam, the weather is very hot, so many women and children wear long sun protective jackets when we go outside. Most Vietnamese people also travel by motorbike. Our motorbike cost about 40 million Vietnam dong. My family has four members. Our Along the way, you can see beautiful green rice fields and peaceful countryside. Many foreign visitors love seeing Vietnam's rice paddies because they are also scenic. And you know that the drive from my parents' home to our home is only about 3 kilometers. And our home is small and located in a town. We bought this house for 1.7 billion Vietnam dong using our savings along with financial help from both sides of our family. Later, we spent about 400 million Vietnam dong renovating it. So the total cost was around 2 billion Vietnam dong. Recently, our areas were flooded, so some of the paint on our walls was damaged. Today, my husband is repainting the house. My mother also gave us homemade fish sauce and peanut oil. The fish sauce is made by fermenting fish for about 6 months. We don't cook very often, so a 5-liter container can last us almost a year. While my husband paints, I spend time studying with our children. Our older son will start first grade soon, so we practice Vietnamese reading and writing. The average monthly income in Vietnam is around 7 to 15 million Vietnam dong, but because both my husband and I are freelancers, our income changes from month to month. Our family spends about 20 million Vietnam dong each month, including living expenses and financial support for our parents. Whatever we save, we invest. In Vietnam, many people prefer investing in real estate or gold. Stock investing is becoming more popular among younger people, but it is still less common than property investment. Older people often keep their savings in the bank and live on the interest. Since I don't work as a public school teacher, I want to receive a government pension in the future. That's why I invest about 10 million Vietnam dong per month in Vietnamese stock market to prepare for my retirement. Vietnamese use Latin alphabet just like English, but it has tone marks. Many foreigners find Vietnamese difficult because changing the tone can completely change the meaning of the word. Our house is only about 3 meters wide and over 20 meters long. The front area is my workspace. The middle is our family living area with a small kitchen. We sleep upstairs and the bathroom is at the back. Our younger child is practicing numbers, while our older child is preparing for first grade. In Vietnam, education is very important, and many parents help their children learn before they start school so they can feel more confident. The weekends are family time for us. During the week, the children go to school and I usually pick them up around 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Like many Vietnamese families, we are busy balancing work and raising children. We are fortunate that my parents are healthy and often help take care of our children. My mother-in-law is not well, so we usually rely more on my parents for support. This is a small glimpse into our daily life in Vietnam. Thank you for spending the day with my family. I hope you enjoyed learning a little about our homes, our culture, and our way of life. See you in the next video. I have heard that in many Western countries, people tend to have lower saving rates, but I'm not sure if that's true. If you're watching from another country, please leave the comment and tell me what it's like where you live. In Vietnam, really depends on each family. Some families are very good at saving, while others have to work hard just to cover their daily expenses. For people who work as the government employees, they usually receive a pension after retirement. However, many people who worked in a private sector or were self-employed do not have a pension. If they have had saved enough money, they often put it in the bank and live on the interest. For example, 1 billion Vietnam dong saving. Someone with 1 billion Vietnam dong saving might earn around 4 million Vietnam dong per month in interest, depending on bank interest rates. But if the people don't have any savings, they often have to rely on their children for financial support. This can become a heavy responsibility for the young generation who are already raising their own families while also caring for their aging parents. That's one reason why life can be challenging for many families in rural Vietnam. Of course, the people who think about the future usually try to save and invest while they are still working. In Vietnam, most popular way to build wealth has traditionally been through real estate. Saving money alone is usually not enough to become financially rescued over the long term, so many people choose to invest. Older generations often prefer buying gold as a way to reserve their wealth. Younger people, including me, are becoming more interested in the stock market. Personally, I invest in stocks, own some real estate, and also keep some money in savings, although it's not much. After starting a family, I realized how important personal finance is. We have to balance today's living expenses while preparing for the future. That's why I enjoy learning about investing and financial planning. My hope is that by earning a stable income, saving consistently, and investing wisely, my family will have more secure and comfortable future. What about your country? Do people usually save, invest, and spend most of their incomes? I'd love to hear from your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. Tomorrow there's going to be a local food festival in my hometown. I'd like to take you along to explore it with me. I'll show you how diverse and delicious Vietnamese food is, and I will also see that the prices here are very affordable. If you ever have a chance to visit Vietnam, I highly recommend trying our local food. I think you will love it. I hope you enjoy spending the day with my family. See you in my next video.